Okay, citify. So, kung ayaw mong gamitin yung word na urbanize, pwede mong gamitin yung word na citify. Yun yung synonym nun. Or literally translated as to make it to make an area like a city or city, to transform an area into a city. Okay, so yun yung ibig sabihin. So yun, butit nalalaman natin yan kasi nagagamit yan sa mga correspondence, sa mga letters, at sa mga usually business-like conversations. And remember, most businesses are concentrated on cities. Diba? Kaya yan yung dapat word na nalalaman natin. Anong area yung sinisitify o inu-urbanize para maging sentro ng business. Diba? So, yun lang po.